Hello everyone! In this video I'll show you how to actually iron the bridal sashes. So I got one right here, this beautiful bride to be sash. As you can see, it's shiny, it's made with actual real silk, so it's really high quality and it's not expensive at all. And so that to iron it properly, you would need to first thing have the iron on medium heat and then move it on the other side and basically iron it slowly from this side. You never iron anything on the actual bride to be side. You always need to go from the back and iron it here. And do it for both sides, and as soon as it's ironed, you can wear it. And it's soft and it's beautiful and it's shiny and it's going to look really good on the pictures. I have actually another one right here that I really like. I like the design. I believe it's custom design, so only one company actually sells this particular design that I really love. I love how classy it looks and feels, and that it's actual real silk. So here we go, bachelorette. And it's shiny. All you need to do is to iron it. I mean, it always gets the wrinkles from the package, so it's normal. I just iron it from this side slowly with the medium heat, with your iron on medium heat, and as soon as it's ironed, you can wear it again.